Hi everyone, we are Team Optionals, Sanika and Nikhil, and we are excited to show you our language learning app for the hackathon, Lingo Duel. Now let's involve in a language duel with AI or learn something new by moving your camera. We got you covered. Let's see it in action. Start your language learning journey in two ways: duel interactively or hunt using your camera. Let's kick things off with a duel for now. First, let's pick a scenario like going to a restaurant, checking into a hotel, or shopping for groceries. I'll choose one and then I can select which role I want to play. The AI will automatically take the other role, so it really feels like a real conversation. Next, I can set my preferences. Once I'm ready, I just tap on Start Duel. Now the conversation begins. The AI start things off and I can reply just like I would in real life. As I chat, I get instant feedback and helpful tips, so I'm always learning and improving. Now, I'll intentionally make a small grammatical mistake and see how tips work. So, let's say, here are our tips and the correct tips suggested for my answer. Moving on, let's continue with our conversation forward with the AI. There you go. When the round ends, I get a summary of how I did, my grammar and vocabulary scores, and whether I passed the round. Instead of just repeating the same scenario, the app takes me back to the scenario and role selection screen. This way, I can try out different situations and keep things fresh every time. All right, now I'll hand over to Nikhil for our next feature demo, which is What's Around Me, which helps building up your vocabulary.
Thanks for that walkthrough, Sanika. Let's go on a word hunt. So, first off, I get to choose a language. Let's go with Spanish. Okay, so let's try pointing at my laptop. It says machine, and in Spanish, that's a maquina. Alright, what about this? Optical equipment. Pretty neat. Now let's see if it recognizes this plant. Yeah, got it. Let's switch things up and try French. Okay, here's a piece of artwork. And finally, the mighty Hulk recognized that too. So yeah, that's pretty much the feature in action. LingoDuel is developed with latest and greatest and powered by Apple's most advanced on-device frameworks. We use foundation models for all AI responses, scoring, feedback, and translations. Core ML Vision handles real-time object recognition. Heavy Foundation takes care of fast camera input, and Speech powers accurate transcription. Everything runs fully offline, keeping it private, fast, and seamless, leveraging Apple Intelligence the way it should be. In version 1.1, we are launching Dynamic Duo mode. Connect with a friend over SharePlay and practice real life conversations like ordering food or asking for direction. As you speak, on device AI gives you real time feedback. Afterward, you can get a quick summary of what went well, what to improve, and how to keep practicing. It's private, instant, and more fun with a partner. That's been our time, folks. We're team optionals, but let's be honest, we're kind of required. Thank you.